Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Kiki here, back at it again. Today I'll be doing my skincare routine because I know y'all love this pretty face. I know. It consists of a cleanser, which is my Dr. Bronners mint soap, which I love. My exfoliator, which is my brown sugar scrub mix that I make on my own. And my body butter, which I moisturize with. Put some shea butter and a whole bunch of goodies in it that I make as well. So, you guys want me to show you how I make my little goodies? I guess I can do that for y'all. I guess I'll show y'all in another video. But today I'll just show y'all what I do to get this. That's it, guys. Ooh, ciao, boo. Let me tell you about this glow up. Y'all see? With the angles. Yes. But yep, that's it, guys. See you next time.